The London morning fog rolls past double-decker windows like a grey tide, and every inhale ferries invisible invaders. PM 2.5, brake dust, coal plant residue, deep into alveoli that once shimmered like fresh snow. For those over 65, the lungs are no longer resilient. Cilia falter, mucus congeals, and city air becomes a stealthy thief. Yet 6 deceptively simple daily habits can turn urban lungs into rural havens. The 2D animation paints the tale in stark contrast. Left side, alveoli filmed in soot, oxygen clawing to cross. Right side, after 1 week of habits, sacs glow rose pink. Gas exchange flows like alpine brooks. No doctor appointments, no costly devices. Just water, herbs, gravity, and resolve. Habit 1. Morning saline. Nasal rinse, 2 minutes. Fill a neti pot with 240 milliliters lukewarm distilled water and 1/4 TSP non-iodized salt. Tilt over basin, pour into right nostril, let drain from left. Switch sides. A 2023 American Journal of Rhinology and Allergy study found daily saline irrigation expels 78% of PM 2.5 lodged in nasal passages before it reaches bronchi. The animation zooms into turbinates. Black flecks swirl out like ink in crystal water. Mrs. Eleanor, 68, a pensioner near Trafalgar Square, ends her decade-long morning hack. Her lace handkerchief stays pristine. Habit 2. Midday. Herbal steam inhalation, 3 minutes. Boil 500 milliliters water. Add 1 TSP dried peppermint and 1-2 TSP eucalyptus leaves. Drape towel overhead. Inhale steam for 10 slow breaths. Menthol and cineol dilate bronchioles, while steam liquefies mucus. A 2022 phytotherapy research trial showed twice-weekly herbal steam reduced urban seniors' sputum viscosity by 44%. On screen, steam particles ferry emerald molecules that scour alveolar walls like microscopic scrub brushes. Mr. Harold, 70, a retired cabbie in Manchester, ditches his afternoon throat clear. His voice warms for pub storytelling. Habit 3. Post-lunch postural drainage, 90 seconds. Lie on bed, right side, knees to chest, pillow under hips to elevate chest 15 centimeters. Breathe deeply 10 times. Gravity draws mucus from lower lobes toward trachea for gentle expectoration. A 2021 European Respiratory Journal study confirmed postural drainage clears 35% more secretions in polluted air seniors than coughing alone. The animation tilts the lung like a draining hourglass. Gray sludge slides upward, expelled in a single tissue. Grandma Rose, 67, in Birmingham, feels afternoon fatigue lift. Energy returns for evening bridge. Habit 4. Afternoon ginger turmeric tea. 1 minute prep, 10 minutes sip. Steep 1 thin sliced ginger, 1/4 TSP turmeric powder, pinch black pepper in 200 ml hot water. Piperine boosts curcumin absorption by 2000%, quelling lung inflammation. A 2023 nutrients meta-analysis linked daily curcumin to 28% lower IL-6 levels in urban elderly. The 2D bloodstream glows gold. Anti-inflammatory agents patrol alveoli, dissolving soot-induced swelling. Mr. George, 72, a market trader near Borough Market, swaps sugary, builder's tea for this brew. His wheezing eases during rush hour. Habit 5. Pre-dinner. Diaphragmatic breathing, 2 minutes. Sit tall, hand on belly. Inhale, 4 seconds, pushing belly out. Exhale 6 seconds, 10 cycles. This recruits lower lobes, where pollutants settle deepest. A 2020 chest study found diaphragmatic breathing increases alveolar ventilation by 19% in polluted environments. The animation shows the diaphragm sweeping like a broom, dislodging trapped particles. Mrs. Margaret, 69, a seamstress in Edinburgh's Old Town, performs this while watching the news. Her oxygen saturation rises from 93% to 97% on her pulse oximeter. Habit 6. Bedtime humidity. Elevated sleep passive. Run a cool mist humidifier, 40 to 50% humidity, and sleep with head elevated 15 centimeters via wedge pillow. Moist air prevents mucus drying. Elevation drains sinuses overnight. A 2022 sleep medicine study reported this combo reduced nocturnal cough by 51% in urban seniors. The animation ends with a night scene. Humidifier mist forms a protective halo. Mucus flows gently into throat for morning clearance. Mr. Arthur, 71, in Bristol, wakes without the usual frog in throat. His wife no longer nudges him for snoring. The daily detox timeline is seamless. 7 to 8 hours, nasal rinse, post-brush, 12:30, herbal steam, post-lunch, 13 urea postural drainage, 15-hour ginger turmeric tea, 18 euro diaphragmatic breathing, 22 below humidity plus elevation, passive. Total active time, under 10 minutes. The animation includes a clock overlay, each habit a glowing checkpoint on a 24-hour lung cleaning journey. Science is the backbone. Urban PM2.5 penetrates alveoli, triggering macrophage inflammation and fibrosis. The 6 habits counter at every level: mechanical, rinse, drainage, chemical, curcumin, menthol, and physiological, diaphragmatic ventilation. A pollution clearance meter tracks progress. Day 1, 18% detox. Day 7, 76%. QR codes linked to open access studies. Skepticism melts. Practicality is senior friendly. Cost: 3-week, salt, herbs, ginger. Tools: neti pot or squeeze bottle, small saucepan, wedge pillow. Modifications: seated drainage for mobility issues, pre-mixed saline sachets. Safety: use distilled water. Stop if ear pain, fever, CGP. A respiratory therapist avatar, Ms. Sarah Patel, demonstrates in a cozy London flat. Cultural resonance seals adherence. In the UK, cleansing rituals are ancestral. Morning wash, afternoon cuppa, now lung rinse. The animation opens in a traditional terraced house. A grandmother rinses with a ceramic neti pot. Steam curls like kettle vapor. Urban viewers see high-rise balconies. Rural elders recognize the same habits with well water. The routine becomes ritual. The clean lung promise is binding. 7 days. If phlegm still rules, we'll connect you to a respiratory clinic. A free app tracks sputum color, cough frequency, and energy levels. Nutrition? A 5-second tip. Papaya post-lunch. Papayan breaks mucus. No sales, just clarity. The finale is a week-long transformation. Day 1, alveoli gray, cough wet. Day 7, sacs pink, breath silent. A voiceover whispers, city outside, countryside inside. The screen fades to a single line. Wag urban lung cleanse.